Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of Beyblade X UX1 Wizard 160 Rush. Finally have this in my collection. Sorry if I sound tired, because I just woke up. And I'll be going back to sleep after this, but yeah. It's way too early on my day off. But yeah. Oh shit. Real happy to get this in my collection. Hopefully we get more in the US or in my area. But yeah, here's Wizard Rod, the green version. Here's the QR code. Here's the 160. And Rush. This is actually a really good tip. Plus a decent Wizard Rod combo stock. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.